Hello everyone and welcome back. If you were watching the Dow Jones in December, you saw the perfect ending to the year. The Santa Claus Rally arrived right on schedule. It was a month where the old guard fought back. We saw massive defense contracts, record-breaking box office numbers, and Wall Street banks cashing in on a trillion-dollar deal boom. But the biggest story: artificial intelligence finally starting to make real money for enterprise software companies. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 best-performing stocks on the Dow Jones Industrial Average for December 2025. These are the blue chips that ended the year with a bang. Let's see who made the list. Number 10, Merck, plus 1%. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the pharma giant Merck, up 1%. It was a quiet but positive month for Merck's pipeline. On December the 1st, the FDA granted fast-track designation to their experimental Alzheimer's drug, MK-2214. Then, just a few days later, they received a positive opinion from European regulators for their new pulmonary drug, Winrevair. Slow and steady wins the race in pharma, and these regulatory wins kept the stock in the green. Number 9, American Express, plus 1%. At number 9 is American Express, also up 1%. While some people worried about the economy, Amex customers kept spending. On December 10th, CEO Stephen Squeri spoke at a Goldman Sachs conference and revealed that holiday spending on their network was up 9% compared to last year. Even better, spending by their premium platinum cardholders jumped 13%. It turns out the wealthy are still shopping, and that's good news for Amex shareholders. Number 8, Honeywell, plus 2%. Number 8 is the industrial conglomerate Honeywell, climbing 2%. Honeywell spent December preparing for its massive breakup. The company is in the process of spinning off its advanced materials and aerospace businesses to create 3 separate public companies. Investors love this unlocking of value. Plus, buzz started building around their new partnership with Google Cloud to put AI into retail stores, a deal that would be officially celebrated in early January. Number 7, JPMorgan Chase, plus 3%. At number 7, we have the banking fortress JPMorgan Chase, up 3%. JPMorgan played the role of the calm optimist this month. On December 9th, they released their Holiday Shopping 2025 report, predicting steady growth despite economic headwinds. Their analysts specifically called for a 5% jump in apparel and footwear sales. As the biggest bank in the US, when they say the consumer is healthy, the market listens and buys the stock. Number 6, Visa, plus 5%. Checking in at number 6 is the payments giant Visa, up 5%. Visa gave us the hard numbers. On December 23rd, they released their Retail Spend Monitor, confirming that US holiday spending rose 4.2%. But the cooler story was their survey released earlier in the month, which showed a massive shift. Nearly half of shoppers are now using AI tools to find gifts. Between steady spending growth and their push into crypto card payments, Visa had a very solid holiday season. Number 5, NVIDIA, plus 5%. Breaking into the top 5 is the AI king, NVIDIA, up 5%. Even after a huge run in 2025, NVIDIA found another gear in December. The stock hit new record highs as investors positioned themselves for the CES trade show in January. Reports from manufacturing partner Foxconn showed record revenue driven by AI server demand, confirming that the appetite for NVIDIA's Blackwell chips is still insatiable. It was a classic buy the rumor rally, ahead of CEO Jensen Huang's keynote. Number 4, Goldman Sachs, plus 7%. At number 4 is Goldman Sachs, climbing 7%. If 2025 was the year of the deal, Goldman Sachs was the ringmaster. By the end of December, data showed that Goldman had topped the global rankings with $1.48 trillion in M&A, a deals advised. At an industry conference in December, their CFO hinted that 2026 could be the second biggest year in history for deal-making. When the bankers are this confident about their bonuses, you know the stock is going up. Number 3, Disney, plus 10%. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is Disney, surging 10%. The Mouse House is back. The big catalyst? Zootopia 2. The movie returned to the number 1 spot at the box office in December and surpassed $1 billion globally. On top of that, Disney experimented with a Monsters, Inc. themed football broadcast that was a hit with advertisers. After a tough year, the box office domination proved that Disney's magic is alive and well. Number 2, Boeing, plus 15%. Our runner-up at number 2 is Boeing, rocketing up 15%. Boeing finally caught a break. After a crippling strike earlier in the year, deliveries rebounded sharply in December as factories got back to work. But the real juice came from the Pentagon. In late December, news broke of massive new defense wins, totaling nearly $12.8 billion in contracts for aircraft and support. The combination of factories reopening and government checks clearing sent the stock soaring. Number 1, Salesforce, plus 15%. And finally, the number 1 stock on the Dow Jones for December 2025 is Salesforce, surging 15%. This was the show me the money moment for AI. On December 3rd, Salesforce released earnings that blew everyone away. They raised their revenue forecast, but the headline number was this: their new AI product, Agentforce, had already topped $500 million in sales. For months, critics asked if AI software would actually sell. Salesforce said yes, and the market rewarded them with the top spot on the Dow. So there you have it. AI agents selling software, defense contracts saving aerospace, and Zootopia saving the box office. The Dow proved that both new tech and old industries can win big. Did you catch the breakout in Salesforce? Or are you banking on Goldman Sachs for 2026? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for your monthly market updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.